What's up? I'm Troubleshoot. Welcome back to another video. In this quick guide, I'll show you how to download and install Modern Warfare 3, Warzone 3, Modern Warfare 3 Zombies, Campaign, Multiplayer, and how to manage your installation to uninstall older versions such as the Modern Warfare 2 campaign and things like that. You can save a ton of disk space and internet usage when updates come out by simply removing versions or parts of the game that you don't actually touch anymore. I'll touch on both Steam and Battle.net in this to cover all of the bases. You'll know how to manage your Modern Warfare 3 installation completely by the end of this video. Starting off with Steam, simply search for Call of Duty, and you want just the plain Call of Duty here. Right-click this, head across to Properties, and on the DLC tab, you'll see a huge number of things in this list. We're looking for Modern Warfare 2 Campaign. By unticking this, it'll uninstall the campaign. We can untick Co-op, we can untick Multiplayer, and we can untick Warzone. With this, you can very simply manage which Modern Warfare 2 versions we have installed currently. When the next version of Warzone comes out, I think it'll just replace the one here, so there probably won't be another option for it. Anyways, scrolling down further, we have Modern Warfare 3 Campaign, Multiplayer, as well as these standard packs. The only really thing you need to worry about are the ones with file size, such as these ones and these ones here. The rest of them are just DLCs or things that you paid for in the premium version, etc. After you untick these, or tick them rather, it'll either download or save you a ton of space on your disk. It's great, that's all you need to do. I'm pretty sure you can also probably manage it somewhere in game, but this is just a bit easier. For Battle.net, simply open up Blizzard Battle.net, make it a bit smaller, head across to Call of Duty, then click the cogwheel over here, followed by Game Settings. In here, we'll click Modify Install and Modify Install here. Then we can expand Modern Warfare 3 and Modern Warfare 2. We can install the base game, which is required, Campaign or Multiplayer for Modern Warfare 3, Campaign Multiplayer Co-op for Modern Warfare 2, as well as Warzone. Super simple. Either tick or untick something, and it'll tell you how much more will be downloaded or not downloaded. Anyways, it's super simple. That's really it. After your downloads finish or patches are done, you should be able to hop into game and either have more features or have a ton of drive space saved. That's really about it for this quick guide. Thank you all for watching. My name's been Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.